In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Printify to Squarespace website 2025. By the end, your Printify products will sync to your Squarespace store, and new orders will flow back to Printify for automatic fulfillment. First, open your Squarespace account dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in, and you'll see a list of your sites. Click the site you want to connect, then click Edit Site to make sure you're inside the correct website. This simply confirms you have access and the right store selected before you connect anything. Now switch over to Printify. From the Printify homepage, go to Integrations and choose Squarespace. Click Sign Up plus Connect. If you already have a Printify account, log in. If not, you can create one quickly and then continue. Inside Printify, you'll see the Sales Channels screen. Select Squarespace to begin linking your store. Printify will redirect you to Squarespace to authorize the connection. If you manage multiple sites, choose the exact Squarespace site you want to pair with Printify. Then click Allow. This permission lets Printify create and update products, sync inventory, and receive order information so fulfillment can happen automatically. It's safe and required for the integration to work. You'll land back in Printify to finish setup. If prompted, type in the store name or identifier for this connection. Use a clear name you'll recognize later, especially if you manage more than one store. Click Continue to finalize. You should see a success message. Go ahead and click. Visit your store to view the connected store area inside Printify. A couple of quick checks help confirm everything is ready. In Printify, make sure your store appears with the Squarespace icon in your list of sales channels. If you're new to Printify, open any product, select a print provider, and verify your product details like variants, pricing, and mockups. Publishing from Printify should now push the product to your Squarespace store. Before you start selling, double-check your Squarespace commerce settings, things like currency, shipping, taxes, and payment processors, so your checkout works smoothly. If your site is password protected or in maintenance mode, disable that when you're ready to sell so customers can see your products. Also confirm your shipping profiles in Printify, align with what you offer on Squarespace, and keep product titles and options consistent for clean syncing. That's it. You've linked Printify to your Squarespace website, authorized the connection,